This pair of black vases with gilded Japanese decoration was made by the Val Saint-Lambert crystal works around 1880. Founded in 1826, the Val Saint-Lambert crystal works reached its apogee in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The black color of hyalite crystal is obtained by injecting slag or sulfur into the glass. This dark background enhances the gold-painted decoration. The combination of these two colors imitates Chinese or Japanese lacquer, which has fascinated European artists since the 18th century. In this way, these vases were part of the trend towards Japonism that marked the artistic world at the end of the 19th century. The gold-painted decoration, in relief in places, depicts a landscape of pagodas surrounded by palm trees and flown over by waders.